I am a very happy camper today because I don't know if y'all know that I'm a fan of Jackie and I like Shayla too, but Jackie is my heart. And when I saw that she was coming out with this palette, I dropped everything. Because I just love her. I love her so much. She's so inspirational, by the way. I broke it down. Don't judge me, I don't judge you. I was just so excited that she was coming out with this, and as soon as it hit, them coins start to rolling. So, first of all, that's how I just started this video. I never start my video like that because obviously I'm extremely excited. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here. Obviously, today we are going to be doing a tutorial try-on session of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills by Jackie AINA palette. Here's the palette. I got it in the mail yesterday. I am extremely excited to dump into this. I have not touched it yet. I did some little minor swatches. I know my 8-year-old loves to do swatches with me, so I let her touch it just a little bit. But I thought I was waiting to get into it with y'all. So without further ado, we ain't gonna make this too long. Please make sure that you hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos, and let's hop right into it. Alrighty, y'all know I had to bring you nice close up, close and personal for this so we can get into this eye looks, into the details of the shades. Go ahead and show you guys the packaging. I'm sure you've seen it already, but let's, for, you know, review purposes. This is the outside box packaging, and it's like a snake skin type. I don't know if it's snake skin or not, but that's what it looks like. And it's like an iridescent type of shifty color. You open it up and the palette has the same situation going on. She cute, she dope. If you open her up, you have 14 beautiful shades ranging from matte shades to shimmer shades, and it looks like some of these are like some pressed glitters. Of course, I don't think they are, but nonetheless, gorgeous. I can't wait to jump right into this. And in Jackie AINA fashion, I am gonna go ahead and prime my eye with my Born This Way multi-use sculpting. Multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is in Chestnut. I'm so excited about this. I didn't even wet my beauty blender, Lord. What is happening? Alrighty, we have a wet beauty blender. So anyway, Jackie is usually my color reference. I do wear mostly the same shades that she wears in most brands. I mean, she's just my baby all the way around, you know? Y'all have to know that I'm going to go a little crazy with this color-wise, and that's fine because she put the bright colors in here for the girls who like the bright colors, and y'all know that is me. So the first color we are going to pop into is Big Wig, and this is a purple matte shade. And I'm essentially just pressing this color into the crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Y'all know we gotta press to get our pigment and then blend out for, you know, no lines of demarcation. I love that Jackie purposely put bright colors in here that are good for darker complexions, so we don't have to worry about, you know, things not popping through. Sometimes you see a bright color in a palette and you want to use it, but it's like, oh, I forgot I'm black. And this brand obviously does not know that. Black people use their stuff too. And then it just doesn't end up working out. So I am happy about that. So I am gonna take the Anastasia brush and dip into Pinker. And do I wanna blend out with Pinker? No, I'm gonna blend out with Supreme. Let's blend out with Supreme since this is going to be color. So I'm gonna dip into Supreme and I'm gonna blend out. I'm just slightly putting this on the edge and in circular motions, just blending it out so it blends into the skin complexion. We don't have no lines of demarcation because that ain't cute. So you guys already know we don't have to talk about pigment with Anastasia. We already know the pigment is there. And of course, there's a little fallout with Anastasia palettes as well. Not a big deal because we got the pigment that we need. But can we just talk about how this blend is? It did not take a lot of effort for me to blend these colors, and that's what I'm loving right now. And y'all know I'm gonna do so many more tutorials with this palette, at least 2 more. But y'all know I had to go for my pinks and my purples first, right? If you ain't know, then you should not be confused. I'm just saying. So y'all already know me. We are going to cut the crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Ain't gonna waste no time on that, so we can just keep playing with the palette. So the one thing that I'm sure of, for sure with this, is that I want to dip into Shookington, which is this beautiful purple shade, and it's perfect to use with this broken nail that I have because you can really see it. I don't know if y'all can see that actually. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Can y'all see that? So pretty. Just for a good transition between our shimmer shades and our matte crease. Ooh, that pigment though is nuts. So I'm kind of tapering this into the matte shade as well. And to further blend that, it's helpful to go back into your blending brush or even a smaller one and go back into Big Wig and push over, just dust over where those meet. Okay, so this might be a little unexpected, but next I want to go into Dollars, which is this beautiful green shimmer shade. I would love to place this with my finger, but the way my nails are set up, you know, I don't think that's gonna work. So let's see what Dollars look like if I place it with a brush. Definitely not as pigmented as I want, so I'm going to utilize my broken nail finger and I'm gonna place it on the lid. Now we talking. Okay, so in my Galore fashion, y'all know that I want to go into a gold color now. More than likely, I would like to go into Zam. It's an amazing gold shimmer. Y'all know me. That is where my heart is going right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do Zam. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between that and Dollars. Boy, she is popping. Okay, so I didn't know if trust issues was gonna work for my inner corner highlight. Y'all know I like to do it up in the inner corner. And I just dabbed a little bit on there and I think she's a winner. So we're gonna go ahead in with Trust Issues in the inner corner highlight and blend that into the skin. I don't wanna do too much. Y'all know sometimes I get a little crazy in that area. Alrighty, and that is our look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyebrow real quick, you know, put on some liner as well as my lashes. So I went really thin on the top liner because I want you to be able to still see the color shift that's going on top. And the lashes that I'm using are from Tata Lashes. Shout out to them because their lashes are bomb. So this is all about Miss Jackie today. So we ain't gonna do too much with the face. We are going to do the face because I know y'all hate when I do tutorials without the face. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Let me see if I can edit this down to like a minute. That's the... Maybe I can do less than that, you know? You never know. So for primer today, I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. And this is not the hydrating primer. This is just their normal foundation primer. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing my Too Faced Born This Way in Chai and Spice Rum. I do have a slight tan right now, which is why I'm mixing both shades. Chai is my normal shade and Spice Rum is my summer shade. For concealer, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way in Chestnut, as well as mix that with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear Concealer in 4N, just to bring in some brightness. And I'm blending this out first because I don't want to bring that bright Laura Mercier down into this area. So we're creating that natural contour without any contour because we're not contouring today. We're just going to leave it like that. Okay, I do want to do a slight contour. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear and just literally just a couple of dots just to bring a little bit of warmth around the perimeter of the face. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna dip into my Honey Setting Powder from Fenty Beauty. And I'm setting my smile lines and the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier Medium Deep Powder. Then of course, for bronzer today, we're gonna hit them with the Prime Beauty. Y'all know I love this bronzer and Miss Jackie has been using this bronzer as well. Beautiful shades of this bronzer that this brand has come out with for brown skin tones, honey. So now it's time to bring it all together on the under eye. I think I want to bring this purple down to the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna take a brush that has like a flat edge, kind of like this. And I'm gonna go into Big Wig and draw that down into the lower lash line. I hope my lace ain't being disrespectful all up in y'all face right now. If it is, shit, I ain't gonna find out until I edit anyway. Next to that, I'm gonna go into a similar brush and use Dollars and bring that on the bottom lash line as well towards the inner tear duct. And then I'm going to Trust Issues just to blend out my inner tear duct. Now I know my inner tear duct situation is a lot for some people and it's what I like, so to each their own. But I'm gonna take a clean brush to go ahead and blend that color downwards just so it's not like a line of demarcation, just so it kind of blends into the shimmer into my concealer. I want to do a deep purple lower lash line, like my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Rockstar. And I wanted to use that because it's not as harsh as a black would be. And for the sake of doing a full face, we're gonna go into highlighting. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in Some Like It Hot. I really badly want to put like a pink highlighter with this look. But we ain't gonna go that crazy. We're just gonna leave it at this. And I kind of want to do colorful lips, so let's go ahead and do this all up. I'm going to go into Shade A, which is a ColourPop collaboration with Makeup Shayla. And we're done. Alright guys, so this is our finished look. I just threw on some earrings to solidify the extraness of this palette and this whole complete look. Final thoughts on the palette. Fallout a little bit. Not as much as the other Anastasia palettes, must I add. Definitely not as much. But fallout ain't no big deal. It's all good. It's all cool as long as you do your insurance if you've already done your face already, or do your eyes before your face. It ain't no problem. Lots of pigment. Lots of pigment. If you guys see the concealer that I put on before my shadow was not like super bright. So you can see that the colors do come through on our skin complexions, even though it, of course, it's a concealer consistency. But point is, it wasn't light bright for us to be able to see the color payoff of these shadows. I love the versatility of this. You guys know me. I do some natural looks, but I tend to gravitate towards color. So there's a lot of different looks that can be created with this. I do want to show you guys some of those looks over the next couple weeks. I play with my pinks and my purples, which is my thing, but there's some neutral looks you can do in here, some everyday looks of just wiping it on and dusting some crease color on, you know what I'm saying? Like, we can do all of that with this palette. I can't wait to like do like Soleil with the ginger in the crease and a little bit of credit like on the lash line. Oh, super cute for every day. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too much. I'm just here for it. I love Jackie. I've always been a supporter of her. I actually feel like I caught on to her a little late in life, but regardless, once I did catch on, I was there to stay. So I love her. I think she's a great role model, especially for beauty influencers and Black beauty influencers. I'm just overall just excited about this. So congratulations to my sister Jackie. You go girl, you doing a damn thing and I'm proud of you. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Let me know if you've already gotten this palette, if you plan on getting it, or any of the looks that you plan on doing with the palette once you do get it. Also, please make sure you hit subscribe below if you have not yet so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.